Add a splash of elegance to your ride with our best-selling Travel Masters seat covers. The beautifully embossed design adorns the center panel, adding a stylish yet practical way to preserve and extend the lifespan of your seats. The covers are feather light yet surprisingly durable and offers ultimate relaxation with minimal effort. Installation is a breeze. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats. Built-in zippers allow access to the sections, and a mesh extension is included to cover exposed sides. To top it off, the back of the bucket seat features a slip pocket to keep your personal items stored, and special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. These high-quality covers can accommodate traditional, heated or cooled seats, and are backed by 3mm of breathable foam, which disperses heat, keeping you cool and comfortable.